Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add your fingerprints or your face unlock on your Samsung phone. So we can just go to the top right, go to settings right here, and select this. Now when we're under settings, we can scroll on down and we can go to lock screen. Now we could probably do this under biometric and password or security right here, but we can just go to the lock screen and go to the lock screen type. And we can choose the lock screen type. So we can set it to swipe, pattern, pin, password. But under here we can add face or fingerprints to our lock screen unlock. So let's just go to fingerprints for example. And then go to continue. And it says set secure lock screen. So you're going to have to set some sort of pattern. Just remember this pattern too. So a very basic one. And once we have this set, we should be able to add our fingerprints or even our face now. So you're going to have to find the little sensor. So on this version, you can see the sensor is right on the back. Sometimes it's on the side, and sometimes it's right on the screen. So just swipe your finger with the sensor. And you just have to tap it like 3 or 4 different times. And it should be added. And then you can go to done. And you can try it out to unlock your phone now. Alright, let's go ahead and press it. And it should unlock. If it doesn't, you're going to have to do it again. But go ahead and look at that as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.